Okay, Morgan and Austin, okay, I just gave you a speech and I poured my heart out. I told you how much I love you. And now I'm going to tell you again, I love you both so much. From this day forward, I know you've been together for so many years, but may this be a new beginning for both of you. I love you both very much. Mwah.
Sky or a beautiful sunrise. Well, there's so much they hold.
Hey guys, giving your speech now. I did have to do it in front of everyone. I'm really happy to see that you guys made it this far and actually got married. I know you guys fight a lot. You both also hate to lose. And then how much you love each other. I really hope. Like you said, I hope you guys will do good, enjoy each other. Just remember that at least twice a week, Austin, you need to be ready to get on Rainbow because the clan's gonna need you.
And when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. Even the stars.
Hi Morgan, I just want to say congratulations on your big day. I'm so proud of you and Austin. It's been a long time coming. I wish you nothing but wonderful years of happiness and nothing but great years and a wonderful chapter in this new life for you guys. I love you guys very much.
I won't give up. I don't want to be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get.
Morgan, Austin, congratulations. I can't tell you anything about marriage, so I'm not there yet. Either is Adriana or not, but I'll tell you something about kids. Comes time for that, which, well, the only answer is yes, ma'am. Just remember that. And no matter how emotional or tough or whatever it might get, the answer is still yes, ma'am. By the times you don't want to, everything else, even in marriage when it's not kids, just stick with yes, ma'am. You'll be alright.
God knows we're worth it, and we're worth it. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still.
Hey, congratulations. We love you so much. You don't listen. I told you last night to run as fast as you can. You had to go through this shit today. We're having way too much fun. I love you so much.
Congratulations, we love you.
I get up and battle the day. Things don't always go my way. It might rain, but that's okay. I get to come home to you.
It's gonna be hard. There's gonna be a lot of hard stuff you have to deal with in life. But you got a good girl. She's gonna help you all the way through. A good partner is something you need. And knowing for a long time, I hope I continue to know you for a long time. We've had a lot of fun, lots of stupid stuff. There's kids here, or I would do some things, you know, and I'll show you. Love you, bud.
And you are where
As your original gay lover, I'm sad to see you taking off. Morgan, how did you do this? Here's my first true love. Congrats.
Let me complain about a hard day's work. I don't know what I did to deserve to get to come home to you.
I love seeing your big smile. So happy that you met somebody that you love, that will take care of you forever. I wish you guys an eternity of happiness.
Great you guys up together, something like that. But I want to tell you, Austin, because you want me to tell you, you're an asshole. I'll tell you what, your face, you're an asshole.
I get to come home to you.
I want to say congratulations. Congratulations to you, Morgan. It's about damn time. Now it's your time. Do it right, do it better. And hopefully you won't have to pull the pants down on your kid in Walmart.
And I hope that you and Morgan have a great future.
For the first time anywhere, Morgan and Austin, Austin and Morgan, Mr. and Mrs. Austin Eichenhofer.
Our love is unconditional. We knew it from the start. I see it in your eyes. You can feel it from my heart. From here on after, let's stay the way we are right now, and share all the love and laughter that a lifetime.
Congratulations. I wish you guys the best. A lot of years of marriage with me, Kathleen, maybe more.
And promise to give all I've got to give to make all your dreams come true.
Congratulations, Morgan. We can officially call you Aunt Morgan.
You'll never find.
We've known each other 10, 12 years, so that means y'all known each other longer than that. Y'all just getting married. Also, y'all need more black friends. It's 2 black people here.
You will always be the miracle that makes my life complete.
And I hope you guys have the best, and wish you nothing but the best. Now I'm gonna go back upstairs and pick that big, tall, good-looking blonde broad up and take her home with me.
It's as far as we can see.
We love you guys. We hope you have a wonderful marriage, and we look forward to hanging out with you guys in all the years forward, going from here on out.
Shouldn't have done it. No, I was just kidding. Congratulations, we love you both.
I cross my heart and promise to.
Congratulations, you guys. I love you so much.
Take your top off.
You are like a little sister to me. I don't even know. I'm so.
Wait, are you doing video right now?
God bless. Love you guys.
What I love most about the two of you is how you are together. I've never met two people who fit so well in each other's lives. It's hard to imagine a time when you weren't Morgan and Austin.
Here's a cheers to my person and her other half. Congratulations to you on your day and for every day you spend together moving forward. And remember, Austin, the saying is, a happy wife, a happy life.
Morgan and
Scotty 5,000.
Morgan and Austin. Get well soon.
Congratulations on your marriage. It was a great day. Scott stopped being inappropriate. I hope that you two are as happy as we are.
Congrats.
Good video.
Okay, Scott.
I love you guys. I really do. That was the last fucking time. Damn it.
Not every day is perfect, but hopefully you can work through it, and if you can do that, you can do anything. So congratulations, I love you both.
Congratulations.